Hi mga queens, for today's video, this is the look that I created for this challenge. By the way, this is the team Dewy and this is the team Matte. If you want to know which product I used to create this look, just keep on watching. If there's no further ado, let's get started. And for today's video, another day, another challenge tayo. So for this challenge naman mga queens, is I have here 2 bags. This is the Dewy variant ng aking mga products. So bali pinili ko na talaga as much as possible counter siya ng same brand. Like meron silang Dewy and meron silang Matte. And for this side naman, meron tayo ditong puro matte naman. So ayan, I'm so excited. Sana ma-pull up ko itong challenge na to. So I don't have anything on my face. Nag-toner lang ako. And this is my face looks like. As you can see, ang glowy niya. But let's see kung ma-pull up ko siya. So let's start with the skin prep. So for skin prep, since I already do the toner, I will do this one. This sunscreen illuminating sunscreen. And this is the Bare Face 100% mineral sunscreen matte variant. Start with this side. Sobrang amazed ako with this primer kasi. Actually, ginagawa ko itong moisturizer. So, ayan. Then after that, and look at that glow talaga. Illuminating kung illuminating. And for this side naman, itong matte. Ito hindi ko din alam kung paano nila nagawa to. Matte siya. Wala siyang white cast kahit na mineral sunscreen siya. Ayan. Yun na-lesson niya yung pagkaduwi ng ating face. So, may blurring effect din ito. Nabibigay. For primer, I will be using this too. Hindi to primer pero I use this one as a primer. This is from SPF BFF from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. As you can see, use and abuse ko to. And pag gusto ko na sobrang glowy yung base makeup ko, ito yung ginagamit ko talaga as in. Kasi this is 3-in-1, moisturizer, sunscreen, and primer in one. With the SPF BFF side, I will be using this Dazzle Me, yung kanilang Super Pore Fine Skin Makeup Primer. Ito sobrang matte neto. As in, nagay lang ako sa aking face. This is yung matte side and this is yung dewy side. So foundation na tayo. I'm so excited with this one. For dewy side, I will be using the Fresh Filter from Detail Cosmetics, and for matte side, I will be using this Strokes Soft Veil Filter Foundation. So start tayo with this Detail Fresh Filter. Guys. This is the side with the Fresh Filter and apply ko na yung sa Strokes. So this is the consistency of Strokes looks like, and as you can see, medyo thick yung consistency, but yeah, let's apply it. The Strokes with matte side, and this is the Fresh Filter with dewy side. For concealer, Get Ready With Me Cosmetics ang gagamitin natin, yung kanilang Radiance Tint and yung Fresh Matte. As you can see, kapag Radiance Tint, yung rose gold yung cap, and kapag Fresh Matte naman is yung gold yung cap. Let's start with the Radiance Tint. By the way, I'm in the shade Umber sa base product. Then concealer brush, this is from Get Ready With Me. Wala siyang creasing or wala siyang streaks from the brush. Fresh Matte sa other side. Ito, kung dito, Radiant siya, yung coverage niya is medium coverage. Ito sa Fresh Matte naman is full coverage siya. Ayan, this is it looks like. So for blush, I will be using yung Vice Cosmetics na Do It All in the shade Always Blushing and Forever Matte. Tama ba? Multi-matte and Forever Demure. So let's start with this one. Magkaibang brush din yung gagamitin ko, of course. Para makita nyo. Ito talaga sobrang long lasting siya pero dewy yung finish niya. Ayan siya sa malapit. And now, ilalagay ko naman sa kabilang side yung Fresh Matte. I mean, multi-matte. Ito din sobrang daling i-blend. Pigmented nga lang. Ayan. So, pero madali naman siyang i-manipulate, guys. Ito yung maganda sa Vice Cosmetics. Ganda. So, for powder, I will be using yung Get Ready With Me face card nila. This side. So, medyo basag na siya. This is their finishing powder. Sobrang ganda nito as in. So if you want a glowy pero ayaw mo nang masyadong mag-glitter, parang ano lang touch up, ano nasa-set niya yung face mo. Ayun, ang ganda niya. For the side naman, this is the Air Set Matte. This is translucent powder. So it can't add any coverage. At masa-set niya lang talaga yung face mo. Thoroughly. Masa-set niya lang talaga yung face mo. And mamamatipay, ganon. And it has a good oil control din, guys. Ayan. So again, this is the side yung matte and this is the side yung dewy. My eyes, I will be using the eye paint solo ng Strokes. Ayan, this is the matte variant and this is the metallic one. I will use this one as my glowy eyeshadow. Ayan. Pagka-sparkly niya, in all fairness. And of course, for matte variant, by the way, this is in the shade Walnut and this shimmer in the shade Coral. Ang easy niya i-blend pero self-setting siya. Ayan, this is the difference looks like. So, tinapos ko lang yung eye look ko, sinimplihan ko lang. And this is it looks like. Now for blush, I will be using this Everbelena Pillow Pop Multi Pack in the shade Dreamy Sakura. As you can see, this is it looks like. Ang shala nito. And it has a sheen talaga. Ayan, oh. Tapos ang ganda nung effect na nabibigay nito. I'm using my finger, by the way. Ito kahit hindi na ako mag-highlighter. So it looks like on my skin. For matte variant naman, I will be using Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, yung kanilang face card powder blush in the shade Pablo's Latte. But this is it looks like. So hindi tayo magpa-powder bronzer kasi wala akong powder bronzer na may shimmer. Meron lang ako dito yung matte. Pero sa do a highlighter na ano bang tawag dito? Glow tint ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. By the way, this is in the shade Soul. Sobrang ganda nito. Ayan, this is it looks like on my skin. And for powder naman, this is also from Get Ready With Me. Actually, this is yung kanilang quad goals. Hindi ko pa siya nauubos kasi pero ayun na, halos may hit pan ko na din naman siya. Binabalik-balikan ko to kasi sobrang gaganda ng mga product pa rin nila na to para siyang wet look effect. Yun yung nagustuhan. So lastly, for the lips, I will be using Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink and Vinyl Ink. This is in the shade Misty Boost and this is in the shade Self Starter 130. So start na tayo to put this one. Shake natin siya kasi may ball siya and matagal ko nang hindi nagagamit kaya kailangan ko ng matinding shake dito. So apply ko na siya here. Ang ganda na ito talaga as in. Shade na to. And then next is this Super Stay Matte Ink. So antayin ko lang tong mag-set and magbabalik ako. So this is the final look. What do you think, mga queens? This is the side na dewy. Ayan siya. And this is the side with matte. And this is the side both. So I hope you like this video and let me know in the comment if you are team dewy or team matte. So that's it and see you on my next one. Bye!